In this episode I will talk about choosing your first motorcycle. Which one should you choose and why? I'm gonna share some thoughts that I have, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so choosing your first motorcycle kind of depends on how old you are. Like if you're 16 you can only get the 125, but if you're older, you know, you can get whatever you want depending on what kind of license you have and the limits of your license. So the first motorcycle you're gonna get, you will most likely get bored of it after a while, after a year or two or so. So I don't recommend that you buy something really expensive, you know, because, yeah, like I said, you will probably get bored of it, you know. Probably because, you know, you want more power, you know. You want more power, or you don't like the style. Maybe you start off with a cruiser, like a Harley Davidson or a Honda Shadow, or, you know, whatever, Yamaha Virago, and then you kind of fall in love with something like this one. Don't buy anything super expensive. Probably buy something, you know, on the used market, what you call it, second hand. Yeah, buy something second hand, you know, that has a few miles on it and stuff like that. Most bikes work perfectly fine when they're used, depending on the previous owner, of course, but yeah, so if you buy a motorcycle that has maybe 2,000 kilometers or so, it's 20,000 kilometers, you know, they will still be very good quality. And then of course it all comes down to, you know, to your style. What type of style do you have? I mean, if you're into cruisers, you know, of course get a cruiser, but get a comfortable motorcycle, you know, not one of those super sport when you are all lean forward and stuff like that. Ah, the road ends here. Okay, so do we go down or do we go... Should I go down? It's really steep. Nope. I'm not gonna take any chances. Okay, let's go. Ah! Get a used motorcycle, has a few miles on it. You know, it's not too expensive to do the maintenance on and stuff like that. I don't know. Just buy whatever you want, man. Whatever you can afford. Go down here. So, engine size. I mean, 125 is too slow. You will get bored very, very fast. So, and then I don't know, 250, 300, probably a bit too slow. I don't know. Just get something fast and strong. I mean, if you... Oh, it's a cabin. I mean, if you get something strong straight away and you learn to ride that motorcycle, you will basically learn, you know, to ride the hardest. So if you learn the hardest motorcycle, then every other motorcycle will be very easy to ride. It's like on my Boss Hoss video, people ask me, you know, they're trying to be funny. They be like, "Is this a good motorcycle to buy for my son? He's just starting to learn to ride." And my answer is always this: if your son learns to ride this motorcycle, he can ride anything after that. So they kind of make a joke, and I kind of make a good response to it. That's my answer. If you learn to ride something very strong or very powerful or very hard, then every other motorcycle will be easy to ride. The hardest motorcycle that I have ridden is one of those big dogs. I think it was the Big Dog Mastiff, I think. It was like really long chopper, you know, with long forks and everything, you know. Turning with that thing was just insane. And I in my test ride video, I go in a roundabout and I turn left, you know, so, you know, and I was going like really slow, being like so that was hard. But you know, once you start to ride that kind of motorcycle, you will get up your skills very fast. I don't know, let's go. Okay. Whoa. Oh no! It's a boom! Warning, protected area. Okay, so let's go back then. No can go! No, no, no! If you're about to make a turn on a really narrow road, and you know, you can always go back and forth, and you know, and make those noises. But you can also use the ground, or what you call it, vegetation, the hill. Yeah, so you go up on it, and then you use gravity to roll back. I'll show you. Whee! Yep. Yeah! Yeah! Come on, Johnny ho! Woohoo! I think I jumped there. A tiny bit, a tiny bit. Choosing your first motorcycle. Pick whatever you want, as long as you can afford it. Learn to ride it, and you're off you go. Yeah, I don't know. Just do whatever. Do whatever you want, huh? Now we're going to go back up there again. Wee-hee-hee. This is why I love to ride a Ducati Scrambler. You can take it anywhere basically. It's so versatile. Oh! F me. There was a big branch there. A branch. A branch. Okay, where do I go now? I think I should go that way. Yep.